understand the
actually,
concept.
I devoted 2 months. Actually, I devoted 2 months, and if I can't build any application, then it's lost my and it's waste of money. If I can learn from something new, then I will keep in mind and I will remember you that I have learned the Angular from Sudhakar sir.
See, Mukesh, don't get excited. Just don't get into the argument concept. See, what you asked is how you can validate client side, right? The data
No,
comes from
server
the client
side,
side.
like
See,
right.
I will show you. See,
All right.
here the data is coming. Here data is coming, and here I'm entering a product name. So if I need to verify, is that product name is already available or not?
Right.
Do you need, you are saying that it needs a teaching for you.
Yes, definitely.
I will explain, because see, these are general programming basic points, which usually are very simple for any person who came from the background of general JavaScript or anything. He can handle this once he knows data comes in a JSON way. First point is, I think if you are not aware of that, then you will come into an argument mode that I am not showing everything to you.
No, right? I'm not.
And see, listen to my concept. And you are saying that you are not showing anything, and you are saying that simply easy. Actually, see, if the data, where is the data here? In this,
yes.
In this, where is the data present now?
In the data we received from the API data service. Here is the data.
Where the data is stored, in which object is stored?
In the products array. In the products array.
In the products array it is stored. Right. Now in the products array, how I can verify whether that particular product available or not? What do you think? Tell me.
We can iterate through the data and we can find out.
Right? Right? Then I need to verify that, and I need to handle it as a validation. Am I right?
Right.
Right. Then can you tell me the approach? That means I need to verify while user is typing that inside the text box.
Yes, on the change we can write a method and we can take a user input along with the data that we received from the
backend. Great. So you are into the point, right? That means you need an event like some key up.
Right.
Have you learned it?
Yes, key up.
So now don't say that I haven't shown you any real-time concept. Huh?
No.
Right?
But integration
just wait that, right? So I'm writing some options. So verify product. Okay. Verify product. Right. So into that, how I can pass the data that they have entered in the text box?
From this or event we can
that pass. Means this verify product is the method.
Right.
Am I right? Into that, how we can pass the current text box value?
Event we can pass.
The text box value.
Okay.
It is a strongly typed. That means what is it? Name dot value. Am I?
Right.
Am I right?
Right.
Right. This value I need to collect it here, right? Right. So that means you are expecting a value here. Right. You have to verify that particular value. Right. How you will verify the value? You need an iterator. Right. You need an iterator, or you can simply use the filter option.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
Can you tell me what I can do to search for this value in that particular product and return it?
Products dot.
That means we can use this products dot filter. Right. X implies X dot name. Am I right?
Value. Yes.
Name is equal to value. Right. Now what it returns? It returns an array.
Right.
Right. We store that in a result. Am I right?
Yes.
Right. So that is a result. Result is an array. Am I right? Right. So how do we confirm that? That means this is stored in a result. This dot result that is stored in a result.
Right.
right?
Right.
So then how you check whether there is a value inside it or not?
Either we can check it's empty or not, if we have a
record or not.
right.
Then if say result this dot result dot length is equal to 0. Am I right?
Right.
That means it is not having any record.
Right.
So then can I put some message?
Yes. Yes.
Right. What is that?
Public message.
Some message. Can I put some message? What is that? This dot msg is equal to, so that say available.
Right.
Available. Else this dot message is already taken.
All right.
What do you say? Can I display this message now there?
Yes. Yes. We can.
Do you think this needs a teaching?
No, but it would help me to thinking to how to bind.
See, Mukesh. See, Mukesh. You are just in a panic mode of thinking that you are unable to do anything.
No, it's not like sir. Like in
I hope you understood. No. I hope you understood now.
Yes. That's really, that's no need to discussion. It's not about arguing. Just you have
see. You are very panicked that every point is missing.
No.
That means actually this leads to lack of thinking about the concept by yourself, which you cannot handle in real world situation if you are in this type of mode of thinking. Actually, that is my suggestion point actual.
Yes, sir, sure. I will keep in mind. But
because we learned every concept in this approach. I already told you. See,
yes,
everything what you
have not taught us. You taught us very good. But like if you shown some examples that we use this type of example in real time, that would help us everyone in here in the classroom, so that we can think. Like everyone, one example, we can complete other example too.
Yes. These type of examples haven't we learned?
We learned, but we have only just on the current client side. We have not verified with the services.
You want any specific point, and actually you need to relate with what the concept we have learned, and you need to able to crack that by yourself. Actually, right?
No,
if you face any issue in that, particular, right?
Let me explain you, sir, why I asked this question. Like if we work on Java, then in the Spring we have a validation error message, right? We basically directly display on the front end technology. But if we are working on Angular, it's a different and it's new for us, everyone here. So how we display those error messages? That's my concern.
So actually, this errors, custom errors, I told you, right?
Right.
In custom errors, I showed you how we can write our own message. Only the point is, now when data is coming from server side, if you have data, you can compare with the data here, right?
That's the logic I want to ask. That's very simple, sir. I was asking that. That is my concern. No,
then you are clear with that.
Yeah, all right. Yes, thank you so much.
That means, it's not like just you jump into an argument concept. Like I am not teaching you what you need, right?
Sir, actually, one more is a multi-module. I think how to configure the multi-module. Like
see. Whatever you need, you make a list of it. Whatever you need, you make a list of it. Only the first point is, don't get into an argument mode that you are not teaching a real time. This is not at all helpful to me anywhere in the world, right? So generally, everything what we discussed is related to the real world, right?
Yes.
I don't think that if you feel like this is not related to anything related to real world, that's up to you. That's up to you.
I really feel being a good teacher, you at least everyone we can also these concept from by Google also. But if you show everyone that how the real time projects is configured, how they are set up, how their project